Good morning, YouTube. We are back at Richard's garage. No, we're not going to work on the Testarossa. No, we're the 458. We're working on the Maserati today.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
We are going to get to hear a cold start on a 1990 Ferrari Testarossa. What we are going to be doing is installing this Urutu X-Pipe into that beast. So we're gonna take out the resonator and throw that in there. Should make it sound just a little bit louder and give it a little bit better tone, but admittedly those actually do sound really good from the factory. So we're just gonna be improving upon perfection. I love your suit, Richard.
Thank you, Daniel.
Look at this, Ricardo. Got the Ricambi hat, the Ricambi thing. That's cool.
Product placement.
That's right.
It's finest.
Actually also gonna install this intake thing, which looks a lot better than the stock kind of turd piece. So this nice silicone orange or red piece is going to look really pretty. All right, we get to hear the glorious cold start of the flat 12. Richard, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, Richard. Oh. All right, I'll admit fully, the Capri still sounds way better.
It sounds so great.
That's orgasmic. Oh my god. That is just pure heaven sounding. As long as we're doing cold starts, we'll get a cold start in the Maserati. Not gonna be quite as good as that, but I mean, it still sounds really good. Oh, and this is an MC. Oh man, there it is. Oh yeah. While we're waiting for that thing to lift up, yes, this is a sponsored video, so Urutu contacted me and said, hey, would you be interested in putting in one of our X-Pipes on a Maserati? I reached out to Richard and was like, hey Richard, do you want your car to be louder and more badass? Of course he said, yes. Go visit Urutu's Facebook page, it's Urutu_auto. Also, I'll put links in the description below if you're interested in buying some of their stuff, so you want to check it out. If you have a Maserati, they make pretty much the best X-Pipe. It's really well made. Also, beyond it being just well made, I was looking at the instructions and oh my god, these are really good instructions. It's got color printouts for every single step. Look at that. Each step. Yeah, this is done really well. Good job, guys. That's really nice. Oh yeah, so that is what's going to be removed. So this resonator right here is going to be turning just into a straight X-Pipe. So as you can see, it's already got an X, which does make it sound pretty good from the factory. Sound is not going to change a whole lot, but it's going to be just a little bit louder and sound pretty darn good. Yeah, this is easy peasy. Check out that piece, man. So I was just pulling out all the intake stuff, getting ready, and look at that, carbon fiber with the logo. That is just a gorgeous piece of work.
You get like, what, 10 more horsepower out of it?
Oh, yeah. Well, you will get probably about 10 more horsepower removing the resonator. Maybe not 10, but we'll say 5. We'll say 5, yeah.
So we're undoing this, I would assume?
Those two and those two.
That seems so simple.
I know, right?
I saw when the guys do it, like, the trick is just trying to get
get it off. It's gonna be a bitch because we're gonna have to manhandle the hangers and stuff. And the thing is, these bolts, as you can see, are rusted to hell, so they don't usually come off very easily. Look at it, we're actually remembering to put on gloves and safety glasses before we start.
I've never done this before. This is gonna be so cool.
You're like, I'm gonna have clean hands, and my eyes are gonna work.
Wow.
There's gonna be no shrapnel in them. This is brilliant.
Safety first, Dan.
I'm terrible about that. Yes, look at it. Oh, you go, Richard. Oh, dude. Like a glove.
Ain't no thing.
Next. Oh my god.
You are powerless against mine.
I am cautiously optimistic.
The beatdown I got yesterday.
Yeah. We need a victory after yesterday. Now comes the harder part where we gotta finagle everything. Yeah, you might have to tap it with a hammer or something.
You alright?
Yeah. All the condensation flew all over my camera.
No.
So it's not gonna come off all the way, but just got loosen it like that. And that's all you're gonna get.
Okay.
That's good.
We don't need to slide that
It
back
won't.
or
It won't. It's,
Okay.
It's welded to it.
Oh no shit. Okay.
Yeah, just back and forth until it gets loose. It's starting to get loose back here. You can hear it. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Getting in workout today.
Yeah.
Alright, got a bigger hammer.
Oh yeah. That feels
Better.
yeah.
It's really close.
Yeah.
I'll just keep going
Keep going that way?
Yeah, just keep going.
So
I don't know if these will move at all. Not
those have
really.
no movement.
Yeah. Oh man, so this is where we wish we would have had some penetrating lubricant to put up there. So
Yeah.
it'd slide easier,
Oh yeah.
less friction. All right, we're gonna push it back a little and then lubricate that side. So we don't actually have any penetrating lubricant, which sucks. So we're gonna spray a little brake cleaner and then maybe spray a little, put a little oil on it. There we go. All right, we're just gonna make do with a little bit of oil. All right, so we loosened the rear clamps, and we're thinking we can push these back just a little bit. Ooh, if nothing else, move decently. Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god, that was. Why didn't we do that earlier? Oh, that did it in like 2 seconds. All right.
All right.
Actually, we could probably rotate these out of the way now.
Oh yeah, because he's.
They're on a hanger. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you pull down. Oh nice. So what you gotta do now is beat it the other way. I'll push up while you beat on it. Although I might have to set the camera down for that. Hold on.
Yep. Yep. We can't probably.
Hold that. No.
Yeah. Oh!
I almost clunked myself. Personally, think you should leave it like this. Oh, well, that was a tall pain in the butt.
Oh my gosh.
Well, at least it's off. Look at that turd. Yeah, screw that. And yes, we did dent it slightly. That is beautiful. Yeah, so those clamps are welded on, so these clamps just slip over. So these go on this side and those go up there.
So we got an etched logo on one side.
Yeah, and the thing on the bottom.
In the
I said
back.
this face down.
Okay.
That looks cool.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go. Do you want to go that side first or that side first?
What do you mean? Oh, I see.
I don't know what matters.
yeah.
I guess maybe this is probably easier to go that way. We're just lubricating the pipes before we start trying to jam everything back together. Lube it up! Grease me up, woman!
What's that from?
It's from Simpsons. Don't you remember that one? Lunch Lady Doris, have you got any grease? Yes, yes we do. Then grease me up, woman!
Lunch Lady Doris, have you got any grease?
Yes, yes we do.
Then grease me up, woman!
Okie dokie.
The remnants of my hammer.
Bolted up?
Oh, you want the logo down or up?
Oh,
or do you
I
care?
want it down. Yep.
I mean, you kind of want it to be, it's kind of cool logo.
Oh yeah.
Just tap it in.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Don't forget to put your clamps on first, kiddies, otherwise you're not going to get them on. Oh, there.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. All right, now this side, which basically means I got to push these forward again.
Yeah, that's true.
Right there. Whoa.
How tight do we want it?
That's pretty good for now.
Okay.
It should be enough that we can beat on these gently. You can beat right on that since it's welded. Oh yeah. All right, we finally got positioned. Now we just gotta tighten everything down. Whew, that was a workout.
Sure was.
Sweet. And these guys and these guys. All right, next up, intake things. So under the hood. So we're just replacing that piece right there that's all ugly.
These things here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That little centerpiece.
Is that this thing too?
Nope, nope, nope.
Oh, just this right
Just
here.
that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Nice.
It's basically just to make it look cool.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's got those non-reusable clamps, so you just cut them off with some diagonal cutters.
Like right there?
Yeah, sometimes in the middle or even on the, like here or here. But yeah, and you can try prying it up from that little tab.
Because that's what's holding it on.
Yeah,
right?
that little tab is. So sometimes they take a screwdriver and just beat that.
Yeah, yeah.
Or like with a but sometimes you can cut them. Oh, that one went really easy. I like that. Nice. One more hose that's attached on that side.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we got to cut that last one down there. Today's the day of getting our workout in.
Yeah. Can we stop removing things in between things? How about removing something that's on top of something?
Yeah, something that's really easy. The other two gave us hope that something was going to go right, but of course not.
Mm-mm.
Alright, so basically these will be in there on each side. Then there's a little tiny hole for that hose down there. We're going to try and get the bull horns on before we put it in, just because we think that's going to be easier. Sweet. The bull horns. This thing was made for UT fans. You know what's my only problem with UT?
What's that, Daniel?
Being that I'm from Michigan,
Yeah.
the UT fight song is just I've been working on the railroad. I mean, at least like U of M has a real fight song that's like unique. Every time I hear it, I'm like, I've been working on the railroad. Yeah. Eyes of Texas are upon you.
I've been working on the railroad all the live long day.
The victor!
And what's that even mean? Eyes of Texas are upon you. Who gives a crap?
You could be like me and just don't pay attention to any of it.
Yeah, I mean, I generally don't. But, you know, my wife went to UT for graduate school, so...
Yeah, so you probably hear it like...
I went to U of M for undergrad, so... Kind of, I was going to say, when you get to it later, you might want it facing up.
Oh, so you can actually get to it.
Yeah,
That makes
like
sense.
that. Now comes the part.
Oh, this
that's
goes over.
fun. Yeah, that goes over that. Nothing's been happy today.
No, this is all bullshit. Sorry, Urutu, but this sucks.
Not your fault.
Edit that
It just
out.
is what it is. Alright, now we just gotta disconnect those and... Oh yeah, we gotta tighten that one last clamp too. Alright, so the smaller clamp goes in the back.
I could flip this around so it's there, because right here it conflicts with that.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, might make it easier. If it's worth doing, it's worth doing it right. Yeah, that's gonna look better. Yay! Now we get to hear it. Woohoo! Shit. Here we go. Get to hear the Urutu X-Pipe on the Maserati MC. That's nice.
It's very nice, it's loud.
It just made it a little bit raspier.
Yeah.
It's not obnoxious. Yes. That is. What do you think?
I
That's really good. It's like not over the top.
Nope.
It's just really
Just what I do.
aggressive but pleasant. That does sound really good.
It's like, it's not Stewart,
Yeah. Sorry, Stu.
not Loper level either.
No. It's totally practical.
This is my level. We can take all my cars to this level.
Yeah, it's like an 8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not full bore, but it's enough where it's like too quiet.
Right, but it sounds good.
Yeah,
It sounds
I like
really
it.
good.
Very nice.
Well, thanks, Urutu.
I was like, yeah, thanks, Urutu. That was awesome. Go visit their Facebook channel. Or Facebook page. I'll have a link in the description below. It's Urutu_auto. They're actually based in Houston. Really nice products. I'm very pleased. Good quality.
Yeah, the quality is really nice. I mean,
It was good stuff.
I don't know what you call that rubbery silicone thing.
Yeah.
That thing was amazing.
It looks great.
Yeah.
The carbon fiber looked nice, and then the welds were all good.
Yep.
Everything looks nice.
Yep.
That is pretty badass now. So actually, Richard's gonna be taking that on the Bull Run GT with us, because, well, you saw the other video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. It's gonna be sweet. Sweet!